Hi everyone, we are here at Lausitzring. As you might know, it's a special event this weekend, the 500 DTM race. And for a special event, we have a special target. We have Phil, a bit crazy, right? As it looks like.
I use my goggles, sitting next to him, while he is doing a crazy, insane burnout. Let's go. I'm done with that. Flying and sitting in that car at the same time, it's pretty intense. My lung is breathing for fresh air, all that smoked rubber from the tires, so that was a sick experience.
Is it like drinking too much during the party?
It's like drinking too much and then try to like walk on a straight line. When he did the hard turns was pretty crazy, then controlling the drone at the same time, combining that all in my brain was a little bit, yeah, but so much fun, huh?